Are you stuck at a healing crossroad and need a little help to find your way? Would you like a deeper understanding of how the universal life force energy works through us? If you're a Reiki master and you're ready to take your healing gifts to the next level, then my Physical Body Systems Specialty course is your next step. In this in-depth course, I first provide profound context about how our Reiki healing actually works. From there, I'll guide you through the 11 physical bodily systems and show you, step by step, how to bolster well-being for each one of them. So, if you're ready to shine your light brighter than ever before, click the button to begin. I'm so excited to see you in class.